Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. Step onto the court with confidence with the Wilson Hyper Hammer, a beloved tennis racket that has been a favorite among beginners for over 25 years. Designed specifically for newcomers to the game, this best-selling racket combines lightweight construction with forgiving performance, making it easier than ever to learn and enjoy tennis. Weighing just 8.96 ounces, a Hyper Hammer allows for effortless swings, reducing strain on shoulders and elbows during long practice sessions. Its 27.5-inch length and balanced design give beginners extra reach while maintaining stability, helping players feel confident with every serve and return. The oversized 110 square inch head is a standout feature, providing a generous sweet spot that makes off-center hits less punishing. This makes generating powerful spins in varied shot shapes easier, letting beginners progress faster and gain confidence in their game. Beyond its performance, the Hyper Hammer is an excellent value. With mid-range features at a beginner-friendly price point, it's a racket that won't break the bank while still delivering professional-inspired playability. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable practice racket, the Wilson Hyper Hammer is an ideal choice. Lightweight, forgiving, and easy to control, it helps new players develop proper technique, enjoy longer matches, and fall in love with tennis. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, available. Elevate your game without compromise, choose the Wilson Hyper Hammer and experience beginner-friendly performance that lasts. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Step up your game with the Babolat Boost S, a thoughtfully designed tennis racket loved by players of all levels, including professionals. Known for its high-quality craftsmanship, Babolat is a brand that players always come back to, making this racket a reliable choice for beginners seeking both performance and ease of use. The Boost S is purpose-built for newcomers, offering everything you need to enjoy the game without unnecessary complications. Its lightweight 9.8-ounce frame makes swinging effortless, reducing fatigue during long practice sessions, while its slightly robust construction ensures you can generate solid power for returns and volleys. With a 102 square inch head, the Boost S provides a generous sweet spot, giving beginners more confidence on off-center hits and making it easier to hit controlled, accurate shots. The racket delivers a comfortable, balanced feel, allowing new players to develop proper technique while adding a natural boost to every swing. Lengthened to 27 inches, the Boost S offers great reach and flexibility, while maintaining easy handling for quick reactions at the net. Its combination of power, control, and comfort makes it ideal for players transitioning from basic entry-level rackets. Equally impressive is its affordable price point, placing it well within reach for beginners who want to invest in quality without overspending. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, available. Choose the Babolat Boost S for a beginner-friendly racket that balances comfort, control, and power, helping you improve faster while enjoying every moment on the court. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Experience superior comfort and performance with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Clash 108 V2, a premium beginner-friendly racket designed for players who are serious about improving their game. While it comes at a higher price point, this racket delivers exceptional quality, durability, and playability, making it a smart investment for those committed to long-term play. The Clash 108 V2 combines responsive power and precision control, allowing beginners to develop technique while enjoying accurate and consistent shots. Its slightly heavier 10.48-ounce construction strikes the perfect balance, light enough for effortless swings yet sturdy enough to deliver powerful returns. One of the standout features is its 108 square inch enlarged head, providing a generous sweet spot that improves forgiveness on off-center hits and minimizes mishits, a crucial advantage for beginners still refining their strokes. Coupled with a 27.25-inch length, the Clash 108 V2 offers extended reach for volleys and serves, making it versatile for all areas of the court. Beyond performance, this racket is built to last for years of regular play, outperforming many entry-level rackets in durability and consistency. Its comfortable design reduces strain on the arm and shoulder, allowing longer practice sessions without fatigue. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, available. For beginners seeking a racket that delivers comfort, control, and longevity, the Head Graphene 360 Plus Clash 108 V2 is a top-tier choice that helps players elevate their game while enjoying every swing. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Discover an excellent balance of value, durability, and performance with the Geo Speed tennis racket, a trusted choice for beginners and recreational players alike. Built by one of tennis's most reliable brands, this racket combines a large hitting surface and strong, long-lasting construction, giving newcomers the confidence to enjoy the game from the very first swing. The 27.5-inch length is perfect for smaller players or those with shorter swings, while also offering advantages for all beginners learning proper technique. It helps generate additional reach on volleys and serves, making it easier to connect with the ball consistently. Weighing 10.4 ounces, the Geo Speed is light enough for easy maneuverability without compromising on sturdiness, providing a comfortable balance between swing speed and control. Its 105 square inch oversized head delivers a forgiving sweet spot, minimizing mishits and improving accuracy, which is essential for players just starting out. While it may not rival high-end, professional-level rackets, the Geo Speed excels as an affordable, beginner-friendly option that maximizes the feature-to-dollar ratio. It's ideal for weekend warriors, casual players, or anyone looking to add a reliable recreational racket to their gear closet. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, available. For new players seeking durability, ease of use, and consistent performance at an accessible price, the Geo Speed tennis racket is a smart and dependable choice that makes learning tennis both fun and effective. Number 5. Wilson BUEN 100 ULS V5. Experience beginner-friendly performance with a touch of professional pedigree with the Head oversized tennis racket. While it's priced under $100, this racket carries design elements trusted by world-class players like Novak Djokovic, giving newcomers the confidence to develop their skills using technology inspired by champions. Featuring a 115 square inch oversized head, this racket offers a generous sweet spot, making it easier to connect with the ball and achieve more consistent shots. Off-center hits are far less punishing, allowing beginners to focus on technique and improvement rather than frustration. Its 27.75-inch length provides added reach on volleys and serves, helping new players cover the court efficiently. Weighing just 8 ounces, unstrung, this lightweight construction makes swinging effortless, reducing arm and shoulder fatigue during practice sessions. Despite its light frame, the racket is designed for stability and solid ball response, enabling players to hit shots with impressive pace and control while still enjoying a comfortable feel. This pared-down design focuses on what matters most for beginners: forgiveness, ease of use, and reliability. It's ideal for players who want a high-quality, affordable racket to practice on weekends, improve their technique, or supplement their primary gear. Specifications: length, 27.75 inches. Weight, 8 ounces, unstrung. Head size, 115 square in. Grip sizes, available. For beginners seeking a lightweight, oversized racket with professional-inspired performance at an unbeatable price, the Head oversized tennis racket delivers exceptional value, comfort, and playability.